don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Super Sports 0. I'm joined by the D-Line and Makeba.
Asanda ukhuluma Steve.
Steve. Mfana selady
Yeah, bengisayivalele kahle umlomo bengithi iyangena le. Yeah, Steve, yeah, defense line le. Okay, ethi siphumile.
Yeah.
Okay,
akafuna
oh yeah, ngithi manje phela le ye-America. Thina silocal thina. So asta story.
Defense line defender.
Okay, siyeke lapho. No, Steve, aqale ngibonge le Orlando Pirates for ukwini game namhlanje. Mawubheka ukuthi ayihlukile negame ebisibuka weekend against TS Galaxy. If ubheka ukuthi they scored a goal first, but if leliya goal lelana lishaya ngephone ngabe sikhuluma enye into. But ke nali goal lankotha last time TS Galaxy akhumbula kwaphuma ibhola kwasolakala ngathi offside angaziki because namanje ngizwe ngazathi basola ngazathi leliya bhola lithulele offside. So okusho ukuthi mawuyibheka lento uMandla Ncikazi kusho ukuthi style of play adlala ngaso. I think into enginoticeile ukuthi the time kukhona uJose Rivera I think ivoice yakhe ibingazwakali. If ubheka ukuthi everything is changile manje. I understand ukuthi bathi ama players asaphelelwe imorale yokudlala ibhola because of coach hambile, but also kumele understand ukuthi you signed a contract with the team ukusho ukuthi when you are given a game you have to play and win. So if we bheka lento lena is style of play sabo first half, if ungena first half I think Super Sports for me first half yabe be better than Orlando Pirates. If ubheka ukuthi Ulaila Kid no longer play him as a left back, bambuyisele back in position yakhe as a left winger abevele idlala. So ama set pieces they got those little chances, ububona ukuthi yabona la shy ball ufake epalini. I think there was a ball elitholwe angazi ukuthi ubani leli lifakwe ngaphakathi washala le phezulu nge first half. I didn't understand ukuthi if you are professional player ukuthi ungayigeja kanjani le nto leyana yabo. So ububona ukuthi bona if they were that clinical in front of goal they could have scored at least 2 goals in the first half. Because if ubheka nabo le game it was crucial. Baqala kwenza ama calculations lapha. Kwi top of la ama calculations aphelile. But la phansi ziyakhala. Top 8, or relegation zone. Yabona abantu bakhayela 30 points at least bangathola 31 ngobe ngishayile yabo. So it is difficult at this point if ubheka ukuthi kuseza ama games Saturday yamanye asazodlalwa and it's the same teams lawa compete uzokhiza Chiefs Mazulu ngathi ngashawa uzobani bani bengashawa ubani ngangena kuphi yabo because of level of difficult ukungena ku top 8. I think South African football saying understandile. I mean, I think it's all about top 8 still. Angazi indaba. I think ever since Kaizer Chiefs yangena la kulama levels lawo, I think football is interesting la phansi than le phezulu. I think phezulu is Sundowns. I think it's because of the Chiefs. Ever since kwangena Chiefs yaphelelwa that thing obinayo kuqala ibhola selimnandi phansi sesibuka la calculate la because meqala isizini Pirates iqale kahle isizini bathatha ama points balida ngo6 points. But buka namhlanje kwenzakalana angifuni ukukhuluma ngayo. So if ubheka iSundowns for the last 7 years the only team eyakwazi ukuthi icishe ibambe iSundowns kwileague i1 Kaizer Chiefs ayikhenye. So manje ngisho ukuthi i-competition la South Africa iSundowns at the moment ayinayo. Yiko ngithi top 8 ihona manje siyenze South African football ibe interesting ukuthi ngenwa lapha ku top 8. I think there are so many teams if ubheka ama clubs ama leagues all around the world they are competing for number 1 position. Uyabona ukuthi number 1 and number 2 bashiyana mhlawumbe nga 2 points, 3 points. Uyabona ukuthi the competition is there. But check number 1 wethu, check number 2 and the rest. Fayithela nje i-position eyi-1 all the time. Uyazi sekukhuni ohlezi ihleli number 4. Uyazi iStellenbosch ohlezi ihleli number 3. TS Galaxy 5 or 6. Uyangithola? But so
inkinga ihlezi la. Inkinga ihlezi la.
and ba so uyayithola.
Ipakani compete lo.
Isikhipakani yahlezi number 2, iStellenbosch ihlezi number 3, isekhukhuni. Ngiyabona nje bakutshela isizini izophela kanjalo. Sikhukhune sizodlala ngazi nani ne-weekend. But i-last game yabo ngeke bangene number 3, bazophelela number 4. iStellenbosch sizoshaya iCape Town City sihlale number 3. Uyangithola? Then iOrlando Pirates sihlale number 2, Sundowns number 1. Now next season it's the same thing. I-competition ila phansi Steve. But ke
number 8.
asibuyele la Steve. Number 8 singena number 8. Like hey, okay asikho lapho.
Ethi competition yes.
Ama ngemoto engena
Uyasho.
bayiphusha.
Washo kanjalo.
Hayi shem kunzima.
For ikhosi.
Ziyakhala yazi
And all other teams lawa amanye compete necoast is the same level. Yabo there is something engayisho mina. Hey, there is something engayisho mina ngathi iKaizer Chiefs mele understand ilevel ekuyona. Yabo ungacabanga ukuthi le Kaizer Chiefs yayidlala before yabo Sikara Ngobese is the Kaizer Chiefs edlala manje. We must understand le level ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs kwi level leya labantu laba. Uyangithola? Okwamanje. You may win in Nedbank Cup. This is something emele sisho. Ngithola this is something emele sisho. You may win in Nedbank Cup, but if you didn't have a good season, you didn't have a good season. Hey, it is something emele sikhuluma. Ngithola.
Do you know Durban City already has 6 points from Chiefs next season? Durban City from relegation they already know they have 6 points from Kaizer Chiefs.
So, Steve, let me intervene. I can hear my companion here talking about competition and stuff. Steve, I think the 2024-2025 season it's coming to an end, Steve. We are now we want to see the development that is promoted from the DDC, Steve. While he is still with his calculator, he even he's on a calculation season. I can hear Step said we are on a pre-season, but Chiefs is on calculation season.
Out! Press that button.
Out,
Makeba! Out!
Imagine, Steve.
Shilo sakusasa.
Imagine, Steve.
Shilo sakusasa.
Imagine,
Sol was found shaking. Sol Pendog was found shaking. This guy's cooking puns.
The league is. Let me hey, relax. The league is coming to an end, Steve. It's done. It's finished. While he is still calculating, I don't know what he's calculating.
That is why I say competition top 8.
Imagine. Still.
I never can go top 8.
It's impossible. Even if you can, not even mathematically, so still.
Chiefs are never going to top 8. Are you sure, Makeba?
Steve? Yeah, what I want to say to Orlando Pirates fan, Steve, the league is
gone.
And it's unreachable, Steve.
Ihambe
I am bang.
Yes, aviator.
Oh, Makeba. You don't say.
Steve? Yeah, I think,
Oh, man of the match.
to getting into
Steve mlathi ngiqale la content ngibeka
Ibeke Khosi.
Steve uqala angivele ngisho lento. There's I think ama contenders lezinto zokufaka ama contenders for player of the season, for player of the season. I think imele zingafakwa le season.
What?
I think everything is clear. Angazi namanga hey. Coach of the season, Michael Cardos.
One.
Player of the season, Ribeiro Costa.
Okay.
Player of the season, Ribeiro Costa. Bese kuzoba midfielder of the season, Mukwena. Defender of the season, Ngizonika uSibisi.
Kuyinika.
Ngizonika uSibisi. So I think nje everything is clear. Hey, I think everything is clear. Then he player of the match ngizonika ukumeza ilimbokazi. Danko.
We think about them later.